for sale is a 2020 Mercedes Benz G63 in Designo or matte black, factory color with black leather interior. This vehicle is very special. It has 5,000 miles. It has the very unique Vossen forged 22-inch wheels, which are on the factory spec sizes, with the factory center caps on Nitto Grapple G2 tires. Give it a very, very nice stance. We have added quite a bit of carbon fiber exterior as well as interior upgrades, starting with the carbon fiber under trim. This is custom, matches the factory parts, so everything looks OEM. It boasts the waterline trim in carbon, mirror caps also in carbon, door handles, you'll also notice that the G63 as well as the AMG logos are all done in satin black. And you'll also notice the tire cover applique is done in carbon fiber. Looks outstanding in person. You also have the vents done in carbon. It just looks outstanding in person. There's no excuses here. This is just a fantastic vehicle. The only reason that it is for sale is that honestly it's just not driven that often. And when I do drive it, I'm reminded as to how amazing it really is. I do have the title in hand for a very easy transaction. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. You'll immediately notice that the steering wheel is OEM Mercedes steering wheel done in piano black. This is custom with carbon fiber. It's absolutely gorgeous. In fact, I'll take a look from the, it also has the factory carbon trim. I'll go ahead and take a look from the back, that way you can really see it. As you can see, everything is extremely clean. It's gorgeous. Let's go and have a look at the interior. You will notice that it has custom carbon pieces that are in no other G63. That would be the main air vent trim, as well as the long running trim that goes to the passenger side air nozzle. This is very unique to this vehicle. Again, everything is custom. It's done exceptionally well, all OEM grade, matches all of the factory carbon perfectly. It just looks stunning. All right. Let's go ahead and step back to the front. Okay, so, all right, again, 5,000 miles on the odometer. I'll go ahead and there you go, 5,000 miles. Paddle shifters are also, of course, in carbon. Give you a close-up of this wheel, hopefully I can. And picking up from where the Bluetooth audio cut us off. Sorry about that, guys. We'll go ahead and have a look at the back, and this is pretty much it. And it does have the all-weather or WeatherTech factory mats in the back, haven't really used them. But as you can see, everything is in perfect or pristine condition, as a vehicle with 5,000 miles should. Looks stunning. It's a beautiful vehicle. I want to thank you very much for looking. Again, 2020 Mercedes Benz G63 in Designo black with extended carbon upgrades, forged Vossen wheels, factory sizing. Everything is just amazing on the vehicle. She's beautiful. Thanks for looking.